Hey folks, it's Robert from CharityCAN here. Today I'm going to show you how you can save and edit a prospect profile in CharityCAN and use CharityCAN to manage all your long-term major gift prospect profiles. The kind of things where you're putting a fair bit of time into the research, and it's a long-term prospect, best suited for major gift prospect research. So to start with, let's look up who this research project is going to be on. And for this test case, I want to use Jim Balsillie from BlackBerry. So we'll do a quick search and we'll jump right to the profile and generate that profile. Now we know we're going to be working on this profile for a little bit and coming back to it. So we know we want to save this profile so we don't have to search it every time, and we can have our own version of it in CharityCAN. To do that, we click on Actions and then go to Save to Profiles. Now, Jim Balsillie will be under our Prospects tab, and this is where you can manage all your profiles of your active projects. Individuals are under Profiles, charities under Charities, and companies under Companies. In this example, we're doing an individual, so let's look under Profiles. And we can see there is our Jim Balsillie profile. Now, the most important thing to remember about this is that this is our own version of this Jim Balsillie profile. So this isn't the shared algorithmically generated profile that we saw earlier when we looked it up. This is an independent copy of this Jim Balsillie profile. So we can do all kinds of cool stuff like remove board chips that aren't relevant to this, and this will automatically update the relationship map grid. We can also take actions like I want to merge this with another profile. Perhaps I want to merge this with a spouse's profile. I could do that easily here as well. We can also export and print directly from here. A few other more important things to note are under the donations tab here. You can see that we've used our name matching tool to match charitable donations that we can verify to Jim Balsillie. And we put in our graphing thing. So that's another very useful thing to be able to do under a saved profile. Another really important aspect about long-term major gift prospect research is that sometimes they are collaborative efforts. So if you and one or more colleagues are working on a profile, you need a place to keep notes to say, hey, I removed that donation record because it wasn't relevant. I removed that board membership because that wasn't relevant. I did some work creating a custom relationship graph that showed some family relationships, and you can do all of that under the Notes tab. Just write your note, click Add, and it'll save it and timestamp it and list the user who made the note. So that, in a nutshell, is how you can use CharityCAN to manage your major gift prospects, edit their profiles, include information that is relevant, discard information that isn't relevant, and keep notes and collaborate with your colleagues on it. Hope you enjoyed this. Have yourself a great day. Bye.